can we conduct an inventory of a vehicle, even if the owner of the vehicle locks the car, is going to ride with the tow truck driver to the impound lot, et cetera, et cetera? My name is Anthony Bandiero. I'm an attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you another Roadside Chat from ICP Boston 2024 Off the Hook event. This is the Super Bowl of police events. So this question comes from an officer in Texas. He's like, look, a vehicle was towed for the offense of no insurance. The owner denied access to the vehicle and locked the car. Upon arrival of the tow truck, the owner decided to ride with the tow truck to the impound lot and gave the keys to the driver, okay, of the tow truck, right? The tow truck driver then unlocked the car, and the officers conducted an inventory search, found contraband and seized it, but did not charge the driver. This was like a vape pen, a THC vape pen. Our policy allows for inventories that don't cause damage. Okay, so the answer is absolutely, right? Absolutely. So if you have a policy that says that when you tow cars, you will inventory the vehicle, you can inventory even if a driver plays these kind of games, okay? Inventories are not, look, here we have a community caretaking purpose, right? That's what inventories are, right? It comes from a case called South Dakota versus Opperman, where the Supreme Court said that these inventories are there to help you, like help your department, make sure that they get all their stuff back, right? That the tow truck driver, behind the scenes doesn't like steal their stuff. It also helps them to also realize like it protects you, it protects them, right? Because of those reasons, and also to secure dangerous items. So here we have both, right? Number one is, the guy locked his door and he gave the keys to the tow truck driver. So does that mean that the tow truck driver, especially now knowing that no inventory occurred, could a tow truck driver be incentivized to take the car back to his impound lot and maybe, when nobody's looking, start going to the car and maybe take a few things? Who's going to know? Who's going to prove it, right? So therefore, that's absolutely a good caretaking reason. Also, what if there is something dangerous in there, right? Do we want to secure it? Guns and so forth, right? Absolutely want to make sure that these guns do not get in the wrong hands. The point is that there's definitely a community caretaking rationale here. The fact that he locked the door does not prevent you from doing that inventory. Can I also tell you one more thing? In Opperman, which is a case from 1976, do you know, just a little factoid here, that the officer who did that search, he actually unlocked the car with a Slim Jim, right, to do his inventory, and the court upheld it. So it's just a little factoid here. I know a lot of officers don't do that in 2024 because, a 1976 car is not the same as a 2024 car. We don't want damaged cars and so forth. But the point is, and back in that day, they upheld it without a key, right? And now even in this scenario, we actually have a key. It's with the tow truck driver. Anthony, what if he won't give us the key? Look, do what you got to do, right? At the end of the day, if I'm on scene, I'm not letting the car go without following my policy. The policy says inventory it. I'm going to inventory it. If that means taking the keys from him with a minimal amount of force, I'm going to do that. Or if it's going to require a lot of force, I'll call a locksmith. We'll unlock it the hard way, and I'll send him the bill, right? So at the end of the day, that's what I would do here. The officers did this. I think they did good work. The law, constitutionally, is definitely in their favor. So there's your answer. I hope this conversation helped. If you have any questions about this or anything else I teach, reach out to us at bluetogold.com. Until next time, my friends, stay safe.